boys and girls, and welcome back to your math lesson. I am Miss Moran. Today, we will continue reviewing the words more, less, and same. So let's review them quickly, and then we're going to start with our activity so that we can practice recognizing what those words mean. Remember, more means when you have a lot. That group has a lot. More in Spanish is más. Quien tiene más. Less means it has a little. See how this one has a little bit and this one has more? A little. Less means a little. In Spanish, less means menos. El que tiene menos o el que tiene más poquito. Que tiene poquito. And then the other word or vocabulary word that we're practicing and learning is same. So same is also known as equal. That's when you have two groups with the same amount of things. So here we have 3 balls in this group, and then on this other group we have 3 balls. So they're the same. 3 and 3 is the same number, right? Okay, so now that we reviewed more, less, or the same, now we're going to practice. Okay, so let's start with our activities. Remember again, more means it has a lot, less means it has a little, and same means that both groups are going to have the same number. Okay, so like here we have 3 balls, and in this other group we have 3 balls. So they're the same because this group has 3 balls and this group has 3 balls. Okay, so let's start our activity. So for today, I used I forgot his name. I think it's Peppa Pig's brother. We're gonna do our activities and homework with that character. Okay, so today, let me read what we're looking at up here. For this activity or for this example, we're gonna be looking for which group has more. Which one do you think is gonna have more? Is it group 1 or group 2, or both groups have the same? Just by looking at it without counting, which one do you think has more? If you said group 1, you are correct because group 1, count them. How many Peppa characters are here? Or Peppa Brothers characters are here? 3, right? 1, 2, 3, and this one has 2. So 3 is more than 2. So group 1 has more. Let's go to the next one. Which group has more? So just looking at it, which one has more? Is it group 1, group 2, or both groups are the same? So just by looking, we know that group 1 has more than group 2 because group 1 has, count them, it has 4, and group 2 has 2, and number 4 is bigger than number 2. So the group 1 has more. Good job. Let's go to our last one. Which group has more? So is it group 1, group 2, or they both have the same? If you said same, you are correct because group 1 has 3 and group 2 has 3 as well. Good job. All right, so let's get started with our homework. Okay, boys and girls, so let's talk about your homework. Like I told you before, I left this picture on the very top of the slides to help you have a visual or to be able to look at what more means. It means you have a lot. What less means, that means you have a little. And what same means, which means both groups have the same number. Like this one has 3 and this one has 3. Okay? So here's your homework. It looks very similar to the activity, but it's not the same exact one, okay? Remember, this is going to be group 1 and this is going to be group 2. And up here, you have your question. Your mom or whoever's working with you can read it for you, or you can also hover over here or click on it and then push play and I will read it for you. This is the oval that you're going to be moving. You're going to decide if the answer is group 1 or if it's group 2, or if both groups have the same number, like if they both have 3, then you will choose same. All right. So these are your 3 slides that you need to finish and send them in to me. And I hope you enjoyed our activity and homework today, and I'll see you here tomorrow. Bye-bye.